mama taron og chocolate bouquet para sa atong deliver mo. Yes, yun na rin. Okay. Sige pa. Yun na rin. Ako. Okay. May buntag ko. Ano pinaka Sir Alberto Danag. Anong dakong balay? Sige, salamat ko. So guys, naataron sa Sambuanguita sa compound ni Sir Cabrera. Let's go guys.
I didn't know what it meant to be alone. I didn't know till the day you were gone that I could ever feel this miserable without you here with me. But now I'm standing looking in the mirror, wondering whatever happened to our love. Deep down I thought that there would always be an us. Since you disappeared, I know the time don't wait for no one. You gotta say what you want. If you were here with me now, I'd tell you you're the one. 'Cause you're the closest thing to an angel that I ever met. So don't you worry, I'll never forget you. Know that you can't be here by my side. I will trouble without you here with me. But now I'm standing looking in the mirror, wondering whatever happened to our love. Deep down in the devil.
Dear MG Justin, good morning Langga, surprise hindi. Today is your 12 years birthday. Ulitawo na ka, pag binuotan kanunay Langga. The feeling of having someone can call a nephew is awesome. This is too late to you to know that it is a thing of joy. To have a nephew like you in my life. And this joy is full today because it's your birthday. The less I can do this day to express my love for you is to bless your new age. As you increase in age today, it is my prayer that you that also increase in strength and wisdom. May you find grace to attain every height your heart desire. You shall experience God's peace and enjoy His blessing. May you enjoy long life and good health and prosperity. Once again, enjoy your birthday and wish you a happy birthday, my dear Pamangkin. I love you and I miss you so much. From Mama Beth. Charot! Mga may message sa imong mama. Tagay siya kung sa imong maistorya niya.
Salamat aning imong giatag nako mga elipit. Salamat kayo. Hindi pa kayo karo elipit. Kuyawan ko ng video. I love you so much mga elipit.
Oh, ay tago ha. So, wala na kay laing message ni Mama Beth. Sige, thank you. Dong happy birthday, MJ.